How to log Netflix profile on mobile. Hello and welcome to One to Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can log your Netflix profile on your mobile device. For that, open your Netflix application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will reach to this interface of Netflix application. Here at the bottom, you will find various icons. Click on your profile icon at the right corner below and then this window will appear. Here at the top, you will find three horizontal lines. Click on those three lines at the top right to access some menu. From the menu that appears, click on this manage profiles and from here select the profile to which you want to log. Once you select the profile, here within this you will find profile lock option. Here you will have to add 4-digit PIN to lock your profile. Click on this profile lock option and now to access it, click on this create profile lock. Once you click on it, it will ask you to enter your password. For security, make sure you enter the correct password here. After entering the password, click on this enter option right here and once you enter your password correctly, now here you will be asked to add 4-digit PIN to create your profile log. Enter any 4 numbers that you can remember. Once you enter your 4-digit PIN, click on this save option and there you go. You have successfully logged your profile on Netflix on your mobile device. Now whenever you open this profile, you will have to enter that 4-digit code to access it. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.